Okay, Roger, you're going to probably hear two voices coming in here. This is Dennis and Kevin. We're doing a video here for you so you can make it easier for you to install the new box. When you get this box, you will just have your screws. Your 4 screws should be the only thing that you'll have to do on the inside of this box. We are including a bulkhead system in here, and we're also including the valve wires in here. The bulkhead comes to your A16 box, which is your switch box in the front. Yours comes in up here. We looked on the video that you sent, you sent us, your valve wires comes in here. Now, this is a 7/8 hole, and when you pull that out, your bulkhead that goes in there is only 5/8. So we have included 2 shims that's 5/8, so your bulkhead, this will cover your hole up on your 7/8 hole. Your bulkhead will come in here. Ours is coming in the side, but it's the same thing. There's 5 wires that come in here. There is, every one of these wires has, like this is a red with a white stripe, this is a red with a black stripe. They have different colors of stripes on them. That one's just solid red. There's one with yellow stripe and there's one with blue stripe. The wiring diagram, and we will send you another one, it has all of the placements of the wiring with the stripes on them. Now, it's very important on your switches here. This is a green, this is a green, this is a green, and this is a red. And that way that these wires will line up right. Your greens mean that they're normally open and the red is normally closed.
NC is normally closed.
And we've got a wire that comes from that one for the power. That's what's important, is that's where all your power comes from for this complete system. So then on your valves, we've just got a valve here. They're sitting out here on the shelf, and what we've got here is just, you've got a plug, you got a male female, and the reason that we're doing it this way is because these cords that are already in the box that we're sending you are already cut the length. Your cords are too short because they went into the normal switch box. So we're including the cords. All you got to do is unscrew this on your valve in your machine and put the new ones in place and put your screw back on. So that should pretty well include everything. You're not getting into this box except to screw that thing on. This box has been tested. We've tested it on this machine to make sure that it fires the valves, has the cleaning cycle, and all that. Now, this is how we take our bulkhead. We wrap the wires up in our bulkhead to make them a little bit more orderly, and we put just a zip tie on there. So you can clean yours up how you want to, but that's pretty well what we've got for you to do. The valve is back there in the back. You can actually see it in that one back there a little better. We'll shine a flashlight on it. And you can see back there in that corner that I can't point to it, but you can see where your gray cable's coming out of. That's what you come unscrewed on. Your screw comes off the bottom of that. You'll have to have a short Phillips screwdriver to loosen that screw, and unfortunately it's a pretty long-winded screw. So I hope this gets you back into business. Feel free to give us a call if you have any more questions. And then, of course, we try to put all these wires up together once they run, but we wanted to keep them out wide for what we could show you. Like that's the red and the blue, and that's the red and the yellow, and then that's the red. This is the red and the white, and this is the red and the black. So, and they're just all coming out of the bulkhead. It's quite simple, but your wiring diagram will show all that too, which will really help you. And then we use little zip ties to put them all back in order so they're not just scattered all throughout there. Like I said, if you have any problems, just give us a call. Thanks, Roger.